Did you press record?
Yeah.
Okay, so push this on. Push this seal a little bit forward. Push this on. There you go. Push it all the way back. And push the seal back on. Oh, we may need actually the longer one here. So you can grab leverage here.
Yeah.
And push the seal back on. But make sure you put like loop W40 on both sides, like here and here, so the seal's got a little bit of movement. Then make sure the little notch goes nicely in, and oops, it's not a problem. Make sure you use plastic tools so you don't do scratches. And that should be it.
Yeah, good.